Good morning. In this video, we are going to see about topology, which is star topology. So here for this star topology, as we all know that there is always a central connecting device exists for this topology, and the systems are connected to its central connector. So the central connector, either it may be used by switch or hub. Now we are going to simulate this star topology by using switch. Now I can take 5 number of PC for this star topology. PC1, PC0 and PC1, PC2, PC3 and PC4. There are 5 number of PC are placed here. Now I need to have a network device in the connect center. So I have choose any of the switch and place it here. I have choose any of the switch. I can choose a 2960 switch and place it in the center. Now I can connect all the devices by using cables. Now all the connections can be done, and the next important thing is that we can configure IP for each PC. So I need to configure IP address for each PC. For PC0, click desktop IP configuration. Here I can give 192.168.10.1. Here the default subnet mask value shows, and for PC1 the same thing. Here I can give 192.168.10.2, and for PC2 desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.3. The subnet mask is 255. And for PC3 desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.4. Yeah. Now all the IP configuration can be done. Let's try for testing of network by using ping command. Now I try to ping for any of the PC IP address. Go to command prompt, ping any of the IP address. Here I can give PC4 IP address 192.168.10.5. Yes, the packet is transferring. It means the connection is successfully done. Now let's check for simulation mode. I want communicate one PC to another. Before that, simulation mode. I can go simulation mode, edit filters. I can only required ICMP package only, so I can uncheck all other options. Now I can communicate one PC to another, so I can take the message from PC3 to PC0. Here the packet is ready to transfer. It will transfer to switch and the switch will transfer to the required destination. Again the PC0 is generate the acknowledgement to switch 0 and switch 0 send it to PC3. The next part we will moving on to mesh topology. Mesh topology is nothing but a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. This topology setup allows for most transmission to be distributed even if one of the connection goes down. This topology is commonly used for wireless network. So let's simulate the mesh topology and test the connection between the system. Now I have take four number of n devices in the mesh topology, and the network devices will have connection to this four desktop the network. So now I made it. Now I will make a connection between this network devices and desktop by using copper crossover cable. By using this cable, I can interconnect all the devices. Here fast Ethernet 0 to fast Ethernet 1 and fast Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 1. Fast Ethernet 0 to Ethernet 0 1. Here I just interconnect all the switches by using this cable. Now I will make a connection between the switch and this PC by using the same cable. So fast Ethernet 0. So 0 to fast Ethernet 0. Okay, now all the connections can be done. Now I will assign for now I will assign IP address for each PC. First PC0, I will assign 192.168.20.1. and for PC1, now I can test for activeness of the connection by using ping command or simulation mode. Now we are going to simulation mode. I can uncheck all other options except ICMP. ICMP packet only required, so I can uncheck all other options. Here I want to communicate PC0 to PC3. So the packet is ready to transfer. The packet is transferring to switch 0 and the switch 0 will transfer the packet to switch 2 and the switch 2 it will transfer to switch 3 and the switch 3 it will transfer the packet to the required destination, which is PC3. Again the PC3 send the acknowledgement to PC switch 3 and the switch 3 travel it to switch 2. So the packet travels switch 0 and it reaches to PC0. So the connection is successful.